right, I finally am getting my desk all straightened out. Got a brand new desk. We're gonna set it up and show you what the befores look like and then show you what the after looks like. So here we go. So this is the before. Some of the new desk is out on here, but it's just a plastic and steel and glass desk, kind of cramped, very small in the corner. And I'm hoping to put a new desk over in this corner, but it'll be much, much larger. All right, wish me luck. Here we go. So as you can see, I've moved the old desk out from the corner that was in the previous clip. This is giving me space to assemble the desk from the ground up. So what I like about this is that all the pieces are labeled with letters, and then all the steps are numbered in the instructions, but they also have a packet that pertains to the screws and the different little pieces that you'll need within each step, and then it lists them in the step, and then tells you, of course, where they go and where it fits into the overall piece. As you can see in this clip, the bookshelves that were once creating a corner unit where the desk is now becomes a makeshift wall on the other side of the office space. This will allow me to put the hutch together in such a way that it will create a sort of annex of this room, and so that I can have video conferences and have a light source shining on my face. You'll see later that the light actually fits on top of the desk, and we had to shorten it because it was a floor lamp. Now you see the hutch taking shape. We'll flip it over in a bit because it's upside down right now. So this is the before, as you remember it from the earlier scenes. We've moved the piano over, and we've changed the bookshelves and made a faux wall on the other side. This allows for the desk to be moved out completely, and there you see the other side of the faux wall, a bookshelf, the new chair, and the new desk in the corner with the monitors and the new light in the corner as well for video conferencing. Just enough space for one person to get in there and do what they need to do to get some work done. A nice little space.